Good afternoon, all. Today we will see our third lab program, write a program to implement mouse events. Okay, this is about implementing mouse events. Okay, in that, first we'll see how to write a program. Okay, first, before going to the program, we need to include all the import files. We are including all import files here. Next, we need to have what? A class whose name is mouse events, okay, which extends applets. Okay, in this we are implementing mouse listeners and mouse motion listeners. Okay, why we are implementing this mouse listeners and mouse motion listeners? Okay, why can't you implement only mouse listeners? Okay, why you are implementing both mouse listeners and mouse motion listeners? Okay, to that we need to see this. Okay, see this. In mouse listeners, okay, we have 4 general forms like mouse clicked, mouse entered, mouse exited, mouse pressed, and mouse released. Okay, in listeners we have 5 of this. Okay, if you want to have drag and move option, you need to include what? Mouse motion listener as well. Okay, in mouse events we have 7 events, but in mouse listeners we have only 5 events. Okay, in that it will be divided into mouse listeners and mouse motion listeners. Okay, in this first we need to use what? Mouse clicked, mouse entered, mouse exited, mouse pressed, mouse released. Okay, let's see each in detail. Okay, first we need to include what? We need to implement mouse listeners and mouse motion listeners. Okay, next we need to have a string of message. Okay, and we need to mention x and y axis. Okay, where the message need to be printed. Okay, it's not fixed that you need to give 0 and 0 for x and y axis. Okay, you can give any value x and y axis. It will be displayed on the screen the way you give the axis. Okay, next is our init. Okay, we need to start our init. Okay, in init we need to add mouse listener. Okay, this represents here this represent the current action. Okay, this is for mouse listeners and this is for mouse motion listeners, since we are implementing 2 listeners. Okay, this is for the current event. Okay, this is about init. Okay, once we are done with init, we need to go for all the mouse events. Okay, first one is clicked. You can see here mouse clicked. How to use this? Void mouse clicked mouse event me. Okay, me, it's a name. Okay, you can give any character there. Okay, any character, any text is supported there. Okay, public void mouse clicked. Okay, when we call a mouse is clicked, okay, you have a mouse like this. We have 3 buttons, right? We have 3 buttons. Okay, when you move the mouse inside mouse pointer inside the screen, okay, you just entered. Okay, you are not performing anything. Okay, once you click either your left button or your right button, it will be called mouse clicked. Okay, ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಟಿಗೂ ಎಂಟರ್ಡ್ಗೂ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಮೌಸ್ ಕರ್ಸರ್ನ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡೋದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೌಸ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಬಟನ್ ನ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಮೌಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಚೆಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟೆಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಲಾಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ, ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡ್ರ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಮೌಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕರ್ಸರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೂವ್ಡ್. Okay, you got the difference. I think you got the difference between clicked, entered, exited, pressed and released. Okay, first one is mouse clicked. Okay, mouse clicked. Okay, you need to mention x and y axis for this message. Okay, you need to use what? Mouse clicked, mouse event M. Okay, this is for mouse clicked. Okay, next is, once you are done with mouse clicked, what you need to do at the end, you need to repaint, because you are next is mouse entered. Okay, in the same way you did it in mouse clicked. Okay, mouse entered, mouse event M, X and Y axis, and a message which you wanna click it, or you wanna display it. That's it. Next is repaint. Okay, after that you need to have exited. Okay, it's the same like the previous two. Void, public void, mouse exited, mouse event M, X and Y value, and a message and a repaint. Okay, and the next one is mouse pressed. Okay, in this you need to mention, you need to mention some axis. Okay, this is your screen. Okay, you need to have X and Y axis. Okay, that's why we are using get X axis and get Y axis. Get X axis and get Y axis, where exactly you pressed that mouse, that location we need to know. Okay, next is mouse released. Okay, in mouse pressed, if you're not specifying your X and Y value, because you want to know the specific location where you pressed your mouse. That's why we are getting those values from the screen. Okay, and the message will be mouse down, message will be down, and a reprint. Okay, next, last one is mouse released. Okay, where exactly you released your mouse. Okay, mouse released, X and Y value from the screen, and message will be up and repainted. Okay, next will be your motion listeners. Okay, motion listeners. Okay, motion means either you are dragging it or you are moving it. Okay, public void, mouse dragged, mouse event M. Okay, you are giving X and Y value, you are getting it from the screen, and you are if you want to display any message, you can make print that message. Okay, show status means it will display X and Y status. Mouse dragged it, X and Y status. Okay, if you are using consider you are dragging it over here. Okay, once you change the location from here to here, dynamically the values of X and Y will be changing. Okay, that's why we use plus M dot get X and get Y value. Okay, it will be changing. Okay, at the last we need to paint using graphic G. Okay, this is one of the very easy program. Okay, what you need to remember in this? Okay, first you need to include all your header files, or you need to import all your files that you want to import it. Next, you need to have a class which extends our applet. Okay, which implements mouse listeners and mouse motion listeners. Okay, you need to have a string with the location where it need to be printed. Okay, next is init, public void init. You need to add mouse listeners and mouse motion listeners to your screen. Okay, next you need to have what? You need to mention what? Our first mouse action, that is mouse clicked. Okay, you need to mention X and Y axis with the message and a repaint. Okay, you need to remember only these 4 lines. It will be same, almost same for all the 7 functions, right? Next, mouse entered, public void mouse entered, XY values and a message and a repaint. Mouse exited, XY value, mouse exited, repaint. Next is mouse pressed. Okay, here you need to get the location where exactly you are pressing your mouse. That's why we are not giving X and Y value. Okay, X and Y value, you are getting this value from the screen. Okay, that's why we are using it. Okay, next is mouse released. Okay, X and Y will be directly, you will get it from the screen. Okay, next you need to print a message and reprint. Okay, at last you need to have motion listeners. Those are our mouse dragged. Okay, X and Y value, and show status will be X and Y value will be dynamically changing in this. Okay, next is mouse moved. Okay, at the last you need to have graphic G, paint graphic G, and draw a string message comma X comma Y. Okay, this is a program about mouse events. Okay, in this, how you will get this output? Let's see how you will get this output. Okay, consider this is your mouse, window screen, and this is your mouse. Okay, once you move your cursor inside your window, it will show that mouse entered. Okay, if you click anything, it will show mouse clicked. Okay, if you exit means if you move this cursor out of this window means it will be showing that mouse exited. Okay, if you press means it will show the X and Y values of that location. If you press it here, if you press here, if you press here, it will show the exact location where you pressed it. Or if you release it, means it will show where you released it. Okay, X and Y value display ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಡ್ರ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಡ್ರ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮೌಸ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಮೌಸ್ನ ಡ್ರ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ X and Y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕರ್ಸರ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಮೌಸ್ ಈವೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ.